Hey, it's me. And I'm doing another fireworks stash video. 2015. I'm kind of sick, just like last time. Alright, well, I got about 2 of these. And jumping jacks. And about, I don't know, a lot of these. I got like a brick. And a couple of these morning glories. I also got these, which is pretty sick, but new transmitter. It was $4. Why not buy it? You know? See what it does. I bought 4 of them, and I got one of these riding hard. It's pretty sick. Artillery shell. Bunch of artillery shells. I don't know where the actual thing is, but it came with a lot. So that's gonna be quite a show. You guys saw this. This. Another one of these. Yeah. You guys saw those. And I got this. I think this one's pretty cool. Rock this. Another one of these. It was just a new transmitter. I bought a bunch of those. Now, what I'm really excited to let off is this. I think you have to. It's like a really big Roman candle. 10 shots. Super candle. I also got these. Bunch of these. Oh, that didn't sound too good. And it's my finale. Alright. Catch you in the next video. It's going to be a lighting off video.